Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Clock or Health. That immediately exposes sleep schedule controls. Tap Schedule, then edit to change the active hours. This is the first actionable step. Once done, go to Settings, choose Focus and select Sleep Focus so changes apply system-wide. Make sure Do Not Disturb and Lock Screen options are visible. If not, toggling Sleep Focus here ensures the mode controls notifications, lock screen dimming, and shortcut behavior across apps. Now refine the core options. In Sleep Focus, tap Options to adjust allowed notifications. Pick specific people and apps that still notify you. Next, change home screen and lock screen settings so the phone hides pages and dims the lock screen during sleep. This reduces interruptions. Also, verify focus status and smart activation. Choose manual schedule or automatic triggers. Once configured, the Sleep Focus enforces your intended behavior. Notifications, screen appearance, and finish by saving and testing. Set a near-future sleep time and watch the phone enter Sleep Focus. Use Control Center to manually toggle it on or off for an immediate test. If the phone doesn't behave, restart it, then revisit Settings Focus Sleep to confirm schedule and allowed notifications. If problems persist, disable Smart Activation and set a manual schedule. This removes automation variables and reveals whether a scheduling conflict or a software hiccup was blocking sleep mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.